When your business grows from serving one manapua to millions, we'll be ready and with you every step of the way. Hawaii National Bank. The next level starts here.
KFC's new Zinger Chicken Sandwich. Spicy, crispy, spacey. As in, it's going to space. Just to be clear. Try KFC's Zinger Chicken Sandwich in a $5 fill-up for a limited time.
Have you been the victim of a dry, tasteless chicken sandwich? Get the justice you deserve! The Jollibee Chicken Sandwich. Crispy, juicy, and tasty beyond a reasonable doubt. The Jollibee Chicken...
The following message is being transmitted at the request of Hawaii State Legislature and Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. It has come to our attention that the K17 PXVI virus from the western United States has entered Hawaii, with first cases being reported in Daniel K. Inouye International Airport in Honolulu. The virus dangerously takes over the host's brain, which provokes a homicidal rage. Symptoms of the virus include fever, sweating, nasal congestion, runny nose, coughing, sneezing, nausea, vomiting, muscle fatigue and aches, abdominal cramps/pain, shortness of breath, extreme thirst, high body temperature, organ failure, slurred speech, confusion, and eventually violent and animalistic behavior. Anyone who caught the virus is considered to be lost, and thus they should be discarded immediately. If you and/or your loved ones are suffering these symptoms, call 911 immediately or terminate yourself and/or your loved ones for the good of our nation. Please be advised to avoid the airport immediately, as military forces and local law enforcement will deal with this type of violent situation. The quarantine and martial law will be enacted tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. in all Hawaiian Islands. All flights leaving Hawaii will be delayed until further notice. Be aware that the virus has brought the western United States into its knees. It is most likely this state will fall in early next year. Please remain vigilant and stay safe at all costs.
When your favorite KFC chicken meets your favorite potato chip, you'll get chicken like you've never had before. Introducing KFC's Crispy Potato Chip Chicken, made with real potato chips. A combination of two favorites that tastes great together. Try it today. KFC's Crispy Potato Chip Chicken. It's finger-licking good.
Tangy pickles, slivered onions, tender pork covered in our delicious barbecue sauce, and topped on a home-style bun. Behold, the McRib. It's not just a sandwich, it's an experience altogether. The McRib returns. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
The digital revolution is here. The evolution of Guam and the CNMI's leading broadband network into the island's most powerful telecommunications leader. Now with the most reliable cable service, stronger home and mobile connections, and faster internet speeds. Igniting your senses. Connecting your world in high speed.
This is the next level.
The following message is being transmitted at the requested legislature of Guam and Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. It has suddenly came to our attention that the virus, known as K17PXVI or Plaxiavirus, has arrived in Guam, with first cases being reported in Antonio B-1 International Airport. This virus has caused a mass devastation across the western United States and has the ability to circumvent the host's brain, which would provoke a homicidal rage. To know if you have symptoms such as fever, sweating, nasal congestion, runny nose, coughing, sneezing, nausea, vomiting, muscle fatigue and aches, abdominal cramps, pain, shortness of breath, extreme thirst, high body temperature, organ failure, slurred speech, confusion, and eventually violent and animalistic behavior, call 911 for help or terminate yourself for good. If your loved ones are suffering these symptoms, do the same instructions. Military and police forces are ready to respond to the threat. Due to the circumstances, martial law will be enacted in the following cities in the coming hours: Hagåtña, Tadito, Yigo, Tamuning, Mangalao, Barragata, Santa Rita, Muangmuang Totomayite, Chalanpagordat, Yona, Agat, Aganya Heights, and Talifafo. All flights leaving Guam will be delayed and all planes will be grounded until further notice. All schools and non-essential workplaces will be suspended immediately except essential stores. Word from the United States government is that Hawaii, American Samoa, and Virgin Islands are suffering the same fate. Shall the United States of America fall in January 2018 next year, this territory will be cut off for good. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.